Namaste everyone. Welcome back to another video of Maha Vidhya, Tripura Sundari, the power of perfection. In our previous episodes, we talked about Kali is the Kundalini Shakti, Tara is the Jnana Shakti. The third in our Maha Vidhya is Tripura Sundari. She is the Ichcha Shakti. Ichcha Shakti means the energy of will, that is, willpower. The Goddess Tripura Sundari is considered as the flower of consciousness, graceful, harmonizing, peaceful, protective, and powerful. So, she is symbolized by Lotus. According to Vedas, she is the most beautiful manifestation of AdhiShakthi, the one who manifests divine knowledge and love is Tripura Sundari. The word Tripura means three realms. Sundari means beautiful feminine women. Tripura Sundari means the most beautiful women in the three worlds. Tripura Sundari is also known as Lalita, the one who plays or the one who controls. The Vedic spiritual tradition asserts that the whole creation is in fact the beautiful charming game or play of the Divine Mother, to which we as human beings are concerned. We are merely transient individualities in the goddess's gigantic game, and in order to become free from the illusion, we must know the value of Mahavidya. Our sufferings are merely illusions. They are just direct consequence of the false knowledge rooted in ignorance and the manifestation of the ego. Now, let's take humans as a case study. We humans have a tendency to think that we are superior. And in today's world, the main problem with people is that humans are losing the ability to understand what is love and what is lust, because we stubbornly tend to control our happiness. For millennia, human beings lived lives being connected to things, which gives purpose, belonging, hope and meaning, such as living physically active lives closely connected to people and nature. For example, when we do physical activities in old times, such as hunting, gathering, farming, it gives our body dopamine and adrenaline. When we have close connections with others through face-to-face interactions and physical contact, it gives our brain oxytocin. In modern society, things have radically changed. Unlike in the past, modern humans have many sources of easy dopamine, dating apps, high social media usage, modern processed food. We are seeing a generation whose brain have gotten used to requiring easy dopamine. These young generation will struggle when they do not have that easy dopamine or adrenaline. You wanna do a test? Turn off social media for 2 weeks. Your anxiety level will reach sky high. Our younger generation do not want to go outside, unlike our previous generations. This easy dopamine or adrenaline is the illusion, that is Maya. To deeply understand Mahavidya and the goddess's way of action in the universe, we need to eliminate our selfish desires and to love in a transfiguring manner everything around us. From the spiritual tradition of the tantric teachings, beauty and aesthetic bliss represents the fundamental energy of the universe. One of the most famous representations of the great cosmic wisdom, that is Tripura Sundari, is a 16-year-old girl. Why the age 16? Because a boy or a girl, the age 16 is when he or she will start attracted to desires, that is the illusions of life. Like I said before, the easy dopamine and the adrenaline. The age of 16 was not chosen by accident in the form of the Tripura Sundari, because this is the age when a woman experiments most pleasant and fascinating aspects of her personality. In this stage of her life, her most inner impulse is to experiment new sensations and to fascinate the people around with her charm. This is why it has been said that her innocence and purity disarms even the darkest souls, acting as a powerful magnet for all who resonates with beauty, truth and goodness. Sri Yantra. Sri Yantra is the representation of Goddess Tripura Sundari. Sri Yantra is formed by 9 interlocking triangles that surrounds and radiate out from the central point. 4 isosceles triangles with the apex upwards representing Shiva or the masculine. 5 isosceles triangles with the apex downwards symbolizing female embodiment, that is Shakti. Sri Yantra is the symbol of Kashmir Shaivism. It also represents the union of masculine and feminine divine. Temples of Goddess Tripura Sundari. The most important temples of Goddess Tripura Sundari are Kanchi Kamakshi Temple in Kanchipuram district, Tamil Nadu, Tripura Sundari Temple in Udaipur, Sri Kanchi Kamakodi Peetham in Kanchipuram district, Tamil Nadu, Sri Kamachi Ampal Temple in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. The Goddess Tripura Sundari also has the name Adi Maha Vidhya, which means the complete version of reality. The deep understanding of these truths attract the overwhelming grace of the great cosmic wisdom, that is Tripura Sundari, who will prepare our body, heart and mind for experiencing the eternal and infinite bliss. That's all I have for today. Have a good day, everyone.